Can oil market prices drop below $60 per barrel this year? Breaking news in the world of commodities. The question on many investors' minds is whether oil market prices can drop below $60 per barrel this year. As global markets fluctuate, understanding oil pricing trends is essential for anyone involved in investing. Just yesterday, analysts were discussing the potential for price movements in the oil sector, and it is crucial to stay informed. Current forecasts for 2025 show that most analysts expect oil prices to ranges above $60 per barrel. A recent survey of 37 economists predicts that Brent crude will average around $67.80 per barrel. Meanwhile, United States oil is projected to hover near $64.61 per barrel during the same period. However, Standard Chartered has forecasted Brent crude averaging about $61 per barrel in 2025, with West Texas Intermediate crude possibly dipping to $58 per barrel this year. This indicates that there is a chance for prices to fall below $60 for United States oil. The United States Energy Information Administration predicts that Brent crude will be at $68.89 and West Texas Intermediate at $65.22 per barrel in 2025. They also expect further price drops in 2026. Several factors are influencing these price fluctuations. Rising supply from the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries and its allies is a significant factor. Additionally, uncertainties surrounding tariffs are affecting global growth and oil demand. Weakening demand from major consumers like China and the United States is also putting downward pressure on prices. Concerns about oversupply and slowing economic growth are making some analysts cautious. They note that the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries' ability to counter sharp price declines is limited if non-organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries' supply remains strong. While a drop below $60 per barrel is not the consensus for the entire year, short-term dips could happen, especially for West Texas Intermediate crude. The volatility and uncertainty surrounding supply-demand dynamics and geopolitical risks contribute to this potential. Investors in commodities should keep a close eye on Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries' production decisions, tariff developments, and economic indicators from major oil consumers. These factors will help assess possible price movements in the oil market. In summary, oil prices may approach or briefly fall below $60 per barrel this year, particularly for West Texas Intermediate crude. However, most forecasts suggest that prices will remain slightly above that threshold on average throughout the year.